Welcome, today in front of me Realme GT Neo 3 and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So let's just first open the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. After that you'll see here the notifications volume panel, and just to mute your device notifications you should swipe this dot to the left side with your finger, and that's it. Also we have the second way how we can do that. Just first press up or down volume button with your finger, then click here on the three dots, and to mute your device notifications swipe to the left side this volume panel, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.